Santosham. Today we are going to do Utkatasana, also called chair pose. Utkat means intense and asana means pose. In the final position, the asana looks like a chair and therefore this name. This asana strengthens your legs, upper back, shoulders, and improves balance and flexibility. To start, go to the standing siddhi pose and take a deep breath 2 times. Stand erect with your feet slightly apart. Keep a 6-inch gap between the knees and feet and hands. Make sure all the things are parallel to the floor. Inhale, stretch your hands to the front with your palms facing downwards. Keep the elbows straight. Exhale, bend the knees and gently push your pelvis down as if you are sitting in an imaginary chair. Ensure that your knees don't extend beyond your toes. Keep your weight on your heels, not on your toes. Hold this for a few seconds. Inhale and slowly come up. Repeat the same process 2 more times. Thank you for watching. Santosham.